Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. With the heat increasing every day, it's impossible for me to be in a kitchen and cook an elaborate meal, and so I've come up with simple snack recipes for either your lunch or dinner. So today let me show you how to make the Kaju Methi Tikki. For that, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets hot, just add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and 3 chopped green chilies. Just let's saute this for a minute. Here I have a medium-sized bowl of fresh Fenugreek leaves or Methi leaves, which I have chopped. Let's add this as well. Let's cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Methi usually sweats a lot when we are cooking it. So we are going to cook methi enough till it is moist, yet the water has evaporated. As you can see here, there is no water left anymore in the methi. Let's add the rest of the ingredients now. I'm going to add 1 cup of cashew nuts, a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of amchur, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. I have 200 grams of crumbled paneer here. Let's add this as well. 4 medium-sized potatoes that we have boiled and peeled and mashed. Let's add this. Mix this well. Reduce the flame to a low. Let's mash this well. Let's add some salt to this. Mix it well. Switch off the flame and wait for this mixture to cool down now. The mixture has cooled. Let's roll them into small tikkis. The tikkis are ready. I've kept a pan heating over here. I'm going to just dip these tikkis in corn flour paste. Roll them in breadcrumbs. Pat them gently and just place it on the pan. While we are placing the tikkis on a pan, let's drizzle some oil as well. And after 2 minutes of frying them on one side, let's flip them and fry them crisp on the other side as well. The tikkis that are done and ready, which are fried crisp and golden on either side, let's remove this on a serving platter. Let's sprinkle some chaat masala on these crisply fried Methi Kaju Tikkis, and they are ready to be served along with a ketchup or any chutney of your choice. You saw what a quick and easy recipe this was, and nutritious too. So do try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.